Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2017 Lincoln MKZ. This vehicle still has fewer than 30,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Wouldn't it be nice to take your calm place with you on every journey? You can with this MKZ. It's the refined luxury sedan that blends quiet power, the latest technology, impeccable taste, and expressive style to create an oasis of pure comfort. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, heated mirrors, remote engine start, power passenger seat, keyless start, active suspension, satellite radio, backup camera, multi-zone AC, Wi-Fi hotspot. Feel relaxed and ready for whatever the journey has in store when you're behind the wheel of this stunning MKZ. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.